Well, it was a slow ball. Managed to get a bit of a grip on that seam. Completely deceiving Chadwick Walton. The backswing started far too early. And out comes the notebook. And in goes Walton. I don't know, these two must be good mates, because I might have just given him a little nudge with that piece of ball.
Oh, look at this man, Chadwick Walton. Everything he touches at the moment turns to gold. He didn't time that exceptionally well, but he got it in the gap, and I think he might have been giving Kesrick a bit of stick. Maybe saying you won't need your notebook tonight.
A little bit of attitude here. This is fine, that's the confidence he has. Oh, look at that. Yeah, bring your slow delivery, or even your quicker ones. Oh, dispatch it to the boundary. Yeah, take a note of this one.
Now, for those that aren't aware, when Kesrick's been taking wickets, he's been putting numbers in the notebook. Now Chadwick's giving him a bit back. If he knocks him over here, he might pull out the phone book. 4 more, and he writes it into the pages again. Oh, I love it. It's a no ball.
This is brilliant. Giving it to Kesrick Williams. Consecutive boundaries. And add a free hit to it. Finds the gap. A wonderful cricket shot. Yeah, ticks it off.
Again, it's smashed away. Pull out the book, he has. He's done it for a 3rd time. He's running out of pages.
There. It's not funny for Kesrick Williams, I can tell you that. Warriors fans, they're loving this. Great entertainment. Get everything in this stroke. Peel off the outside edge and boundary. How about that for a celebration?
Well, this time straight down the ground, stands, delivers. I cannot believe this. The notebook is out again. Look at him. That's surely the final page. And poor old Kesrick, he can't look. Straight back to his mark.
4, hero maximum, and add another 4. 2 deliveries left in this over. Another excellent cricket shot. Chadwick Walton. Well, it's like deja vu.
20 from the over. Final ball. Luke Ronke wants to get in on the action too. Hits the boundary rope. Huge over. 26 from it. And Kesrick, he cannot believe it. Walton goes back to the notebook. 71 for 1 off 4 overs.
No ball. That insult to injury. Gets a boundary. Makes a note of it. And it's against, guess who? Kesrick Williams.
The Guyanese fans are having an absolute ball out there tonight. It really has been a stunning performance from them, and that's just an enormous no ball. Kesrick Williams was remonstrating with umpire Rousseau, but he's a good half a foot over, as Walton makes a footnote. Gone! Hero maximum number 6.
And I'll take a note of it again.
He's run out of room on the front of the bat. He's flipped it over and he's signing the back now. Oh, this really is a nightmare evening for Kesrick Williams. And one of the great nights for Chadwick Walton. Talk about revenge being a dish best served cold.
How about this from Chadwick Walton? True academic. Finished all the pages. Had to turn to the other side of the book. Take a note of yet another hero match.